In this video, let's learn the way that you assign dollars to categories inside of Ynab. If this is your first time creating a budget, inside of Ynab, you can manually assign in dollar amounts so that that particular expense can be covered within a specific period of time. To add in amounts to the categories that you created, just tap on the pencil icon or the edit icon on the top right. This way is going to show you all of the categories and expenses within those categories. I have this category here called bills, and I have all of these expenses listed down. Now, in order to assign dollars, you can just tap on add target inside of a particular expense. And then the first option you'll see is the option which says I need. Just tap on it, and then you can assign the desired amount of budget that you need for this particular category. So just type in the amount and then tap on done. Now you can sort out these expenses by monthly, yearly, or on a custom basis, however you'd like. And you can also set a reminder when these expenses need to be paid off, and then tap on save target. And as you can see, this expense now has also been added in. Also, it can be displayed on the monthly target section. To display the monthly target section, you can add in your monthly income in this section so that it can show you the progress bar of your monthly targets. So that's exactly how you assign dollars to your categories inside of Ynab. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.